Our group name is Blaze of Glory, and in this video we're going to talk about forging. Forging is the oldest known metalworking process in the world. It was used as early as 4000 BC to make coins, weapons, and tools. The definition of forging is a manufacturing process involving the shaping of metal using localized compressive forces, usually using a hammer or a die. Forged items vary in size. They can be as large as landing gear for an aircraft or as small as kitchen knives or scissors. Forging can be classified by temperature as hot or cold. Hot forging is classified as when the metal temperature is heated above its recrystallization temperature. Below its recrystallization temperature is cold forging. Cold forging is generally preferred by manufacturers because it requires little to no finishing work, has better dimensional accuracy, and the dies used have longer lives. These all reduce the cost of production for simple shapes and high volumes. It also increases the strength of the material through strain hardening. Hot forging is preferred for some applications because components produced by hot forging possess increased ductility and optimum yield strength because the heat prevents strain hardening from occurring. Forging processes can also be classified by the type of die used, either open or closed. Upsetting is a type of open die forging. It increases the diameter of the workpiece by compressing its length, as shown in the diagram to the left. This process is ideal for longer shapes where only one end of a part needs to be forged. The mechanical press used to manufacturing these components operates on a horizontal plane. The dies are split to allow material to protrude between the mechanical press. This is the most commonly used forging process. Impression die forging is a type of closed die forging where a steel billet is placed on a lower die block while an overhead die or ram hammer drops down, forcing the metal to fill the two die blocks. Excess metal, called flash, is squeezed out of the die and requires additional machining to be removed at the end of the process. Precision forging, or nut-shaped forging, is a closed die forging that requires little to no additional machining. Cost and waste of post-forging operations are minimized.